Hi everyone, welcome to Share classes. Today in this video, how to draw a semicircle of diameter 6 centimeter in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let us start the video. First of all, drawing here, the diameter equals 6 centimeter. So drawing a line segment of length 6 centimeter with the help of scale by this way. Next, labeling here P and Q. Now finding radius of the semicircle. So roughly finding here radius. So we know that radius equal half of diameter and the value of diameter equals 6. So we have to divide 6 by 2, that is 3. So radius equal 3 centimeter. Now marking here 3, so this is 3. Okay, labeling here O as a center of the circle, semicircle. Now putting the compass here and measure radius OQ and OP, both are equal, and complete the semicircle by this way. Okay, now OQ equal 3 centimeter, OP also 3 centimeter because both are radius of the semicircle. So therefore here diameter PQ equal 6 centimeter and radius OP and OQ both are equal to 3 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it.